Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss two important chart patterns. The first one is called as fall diagonal fall, FDF, fall diagonal fall, and the second one is called as rise diagonal rise. Right. So the first chart pattern looks like this. There is a sharp fall in the price, and then the price consolidates in the diagonal format like this. Right. So there is a sharp fall in the price, then the price consolidates like in the diagonal format, and then again there is a sharp fall. So this is a diagonal, right? So that's why it is called as fall, diagonal, and fall. And the other pattern is there is a sharp rise in the price, then you have consolidation in this form in the diagonal format, and there is a sharp rise again in the price, right? This is rise, diagonal, and rise again. So that's why this pattern is called as rise, diagonal rise. So these two patterns you will observe very often on the charts. So let's see how to trade these two patterns. So the first is fall, diagonal fall. So if you have a sharp fall here like this, then you have a consolidation in the diagonal format, then you have a sharp fall here, right? So what you will do is you will mark this diagonal price in the diagonal, right? Now there are two things here. The price may come back. Price may come back and may take a resistance here, right? So this area is very important. The area which is boxed here, right? The boxed area is we have boxed the this diagonal, right? Now when the price retests this lower part will act as the resistance. So there are two things. The first is price may come here, so this may act as resistance, and you may the price may go back, right? So you will get a trade over here, right? You will get a trade over here because this will act as resistance. And then the second possibility is the price will go through this, right? Price will go through this resistance and it will test the upper portion of this rectangle, that is this portion, right? And there this may act as a resistance. It may slightly throw it may be slightly through this. Then the possibility is it may come back, right, and test this lower area. Now this time this will act as the resistance. This portion will act as the support, not resistance but support, right? And there is a chance that price may go higher from here, right? So these are the two kind of trades you can take here. The first is the price, when the price retraces here, this will act as a resistance. And the second is if this passes through this, then again if it retests here, so this may act as the support, right? Okay, so these are the kind of trades you can take by using this. So let's see the examples of this. So here is the first example. Okay, this is the example. You have this sharp fall here. You have this sharp fall, right? And you have this diagonal consolidation here. Then again a sharp fall here, right? Then you see the price retests here, right? And it's taking the resistance here. This portion is acting as the resistance. You have a fall again here, right? So this is one kind of trade you can take here. So you have a fall here, you have a diagonal here, and you have fall here, right? Now you boxed off this area, and then this when this area is retested, right? you have a fall from there. So this is the first example. Let's see the second example. Again, if you see here, you have a rise in the price, right? When the price goes in consolidation, again you have a rise here, right? Now when the price comes back here, right, this is acting as the support, right? This is acting as the support. This is rise, diagonal, and rise, right? So in this rise, diagonal, rise, this will act as the support when the price comes back here, and you see the price is going again up. So you can take a trade over here, right? So this is another example. So let's see a few more examples. So this example we saw. Yeah, this example. So there is a rise in the price. If you see here, sharp rise, then the price goes in consolidation. And again, there is a sharp rise here, right? So if you box up this area, right, this box area, right, the price is coming back here, right, and it's taking support over here and then going up, right? So this area is acting as the this upper line of this area is acting as the resistance, right? The main point is to focus on this area, right? If it is a rise, diagonal rise like this, when the price comes back here, this will act as the support. And when price, you know, comes inside this area, right? So you will have to observe this, like inside this area, right? When it comes back here, there is a chance that it may go back again, right? Okay. So this is another example. So let's see one more example here. This is the example. So again, if you see here, there is a sharp rise in the price. You have diagonal here, then the sharp rise again. Then you see the price has come back here, right? And then it went up, it went off. Again, it retested this area. You can draw this area, right? So then and after a long time it came here, it came back, right? Again it took a support from here, right? And you have the price going higher. So that is how you can trade this pattern. This is called as fall, diagonal fall, and rise, diagonal rise. You can very often observe this pattern on the charts. So thank you for watching.